In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Samsung Galaxy won't turn on. If you're facing this issue, then the first thing you want to do is force restart your phone. For that, press and hold the power button and volume down button together. Keep holding it for about 10 to 15 seconds. This can fix minor software glitches and may turn your phone back on. Next thing you want to do is charge your device. Sometimes the battery might be completely drained. Plug your phone into a charger, leave it charging for at least 15 to 30 minutes. Then try turning it on again. Make sure you're using a working cable and adapter. If your phone still doesn't respond, use a flashlight to inspect the charging port. Look for dust, lint, or debris blocking the connection. Gently clean it using a soft brush or toothpick. A blocked port can prevent proper charging. Your charger might be the issue, so you also want to try a different USB cable and adapter. If none of these steps work, the issue could be a hardware-related problem. For that, you want to visit an authorized service center. Get your device checked by a technician. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.